This Take a C.A.B. is brought to you by Body Within Healing. If you like, click like and subscribe, and there'll be more. Take a nice deep in breath and out breath. As you take an in breath, bring in all the healing energy around you. And then when you exhale, exhale all your stress out. This is a moment for you to take to really clarify your thoughts and your energy and go back to your day refreshed. Take a look at the picture. I want you to figure out your energy into the picture. Today we're in Sedona. Think about, wow, somebody used to live there. This was their home. Think about your home and all the things your home lacks. Now think of their home. How much abundance do you have? How much luxury do you have? I was reading something the other day that we have 6 extra hours from our ancestors because we have washing machines, dishwashers, computers, microwaves, electric stoves, electric washing machines. That's a lot of time in a day. We don't have to grow our own food. So I guess we have to ask ourselves, what are we doing with all that extra time? Are we using it for us? To learn about ourselves? Or are we just getting through the day? Think about it. What it must have been like for their days, and all the things you have in your day. Some people have it hard still, absolutely, but some people don't know how lucky they are. So just take a moment of gratitude for all the things that you do have: warm sheets, a bed to sleep in, a couch to sit on, a washing machine. In and out. And out. Just figure out in that energy, what would it have been like? And just let it help you appreciate more of what you have. Deep breath in and exhale your stress. In and out. A mindful practice to ask to see what you need to see every day. Your body within will come forward and just show you what you're not seeing about how lucky you are and how wonderful your life really is. We get caught in the stress and we get caught in the negative. The world we live in can be very negative. Bring back light and see the good. Focus on the good. In and out. Quicken your breath a little bit and start to bring yourself back. Now you can go back on to your day. Your body within thanks you.